is the ham gabagool. Okay, only three kinds of people know what this kind of sandwich is. Ham gabagool. That's not how it's spelled. The three type of people: New Yorkers, or the city, anybody that watches The Sopranos, and New Yorkers. That's it. So, ham gabagool, then we're going to tackle the bike.
Gabriela says we're down here for the gabagool. The gabagool.
Tony gabagool, Grandma. It's nothing but fat and nitrates.
Gabagool. Over here.
Okay, we're going to do the install. This is the Klock Werks 8.5. And like I said, it doesn't come up high enough. I'll show you me sitting on the bike. You're sitting on a bike. You're supposed to measure from your nose to the top of the windshield to get the right height to reduce the buffeting and the amount of wind hitting your face. So as you can see, this is a little bit low for me. Some people like it real low. I don't. So I went through. This is going to be my fourth windshield for this bike. Of course, the plane's got to come over. This is going to be the fourth windshield for this bike. So you can just see how this fits me. I'm 6'1", 230 pounds, 235 after the ham gabagool. But just to show you how it looks on here. All right, going for a quick ride. This is the 8.5 inch windshield, Klock Werks. Just want to show you what it looks like when we're riding around. Plus I want to test out my new Insta360 X3 camera and the JAWS thing here. Try all this shit together. Quick ride, we're gonna look at it. I have to go to Publix anyway. Alright, so this is basically the view I have. Now I'm 6'1". I'm having Advan Black Cobra gel seat. I guess it sits me like, pretty much average, probably close to what the stock Harley seat does. And that JAWS thing shakes a lot. I don't know if I'm going to be using that. See how the video footage is. Hate these speed bumps. Alright, so basically I get a decent breeze. Now with no helmet on, I'm wearing a helmet today because I'm using the media mic. I mean the media kit with the GoPro. So I get a pretty good, I don't know if you want to call it buffeting or whatever you want to call it. When I'm on 95 on the expressway, whatever you want to call it, or wherever you are, and and I'm doing 95 miles per hour, that's when the wind gets really bad. I'm going to close my lid for right now. Okay. So the wind gets really bad. Now this is the 8.5. I had, I think, a 6.5 before that. I got to check the measurements. Definitely better than the Harley stock Street Glide CVO windshield. I bought another one, a 12.5, I think it is. I had to go look. So anyway, the wind, it's not bad. I mean, I feel it in my shirt. But you can see, I can clearly see above this, and it's supposed to be even with your nose. So I think my next size up that I got, I think that'll work fine. So I'm gonna put that on when I get back to the house. Look at this idiot. I just want to do a quick ride. So I'm going to put that on, I'll do a ride with that, and you'll see the difference, like where I sit at 6'1", and I guess I have normal riding posture. I don't know, but I just wanted you guys to get an idea of the eye placement, because going through these windshields, it's kind of a pain in the ass to find the right size and what looks cool. Personally, I like the Klock Werks because of the way it kind of redirects wind, and it looks really cool. It's just not like a windshield like on a Road King or something. So that's pretty much it. I'm gonna go home. I'm gonna put the other ones on. I gotta run into the shopping center here real quick, pick up some stuff. That's pretty much it. Had a rough week. My Doberman, 7 years old, was diagnosed with diabetes a few months back. I actually found out while I was at Bike Week in Daytona, and he's been on insulin and all kinds of stuff, and he's had a rough time, lost a lot of weight. Now he's gone blind, so I'm probably going to have to get cataract surgery, and that's like $4,000 right there. So not good. So anybody want to send me a check for $4,000? I'll take it. Otherwise, this is what the windshield looks like. I hate all these old people in Delray here. Although I'm not in Delray, I'm in Boynton. But so anyway, again, this is just to get you to see the difference. Now, if I was shorter, I guess it'd be perfect. But the whole idea is to see over this, which I can clearly do that. I believe there's 2 more sizes above this that I can go to, but I don't want to go there. That's just too big. I think, I don't know. I plan on taking a long trip all the way out to Colorado and Wyoming, and for that type of trip I wanted to go with a larger windshield. I also ordered a Zero 3D seat. Look at this idiot. I also ordered the Zero gel seat, the ASR. I get that next week. We'll see how that looks. These morons, let me just walk right down the middle of the road. Alright, that's a real quick wrap up. I go home after I go shopping, put the other windshield on, and we'll see the difference. Let's compare windshields. This is the stock windshield that came with the CBO Street Glide. Next size up that I got was a Klock Werks. I forgot what size this was. It's one of the smaller ones. And you can see next to the, how they compare. Big surface area compared to the stock windshield. Okay. This is the Klock Werks 8.5. This is the one that was below that. I think it's a 6.5. You see them side by side. You can see the difference there. This is all dark. This is dark smoke, I think. You can see the difference. It's hard to really tell. Let's try to go out of light here. Okay. If you can see the difference here. This is from the smaller one to the 8.5. 8.5 is what I just had on here. Okay. This is the newest one, the 11.5. So going from the 8.5 to the 11.5. Look at the difference. A lot more difference here. Okay. To give you an example, freaking bugs. This was the, I think 5.5. I'll update it in the video. Big difference, huge difference there. And let's look at the stock. Stock compared to the 11.5. Huge difference. Now this is not like a Road King giant windshield, but it's pretty big. They're bigger. There's a bigger size than this, and I didn't go with that. I'm just going to remove the protective wrap. Neatly throw that on the ground and place it on here. Okay, it's going to take a Torx T27. What's the difference now? This is huge compared to the other one. It's supposed to be your nose. This is maybe a little higher than my nose, but I can easily see above it, and it's not too dark that if I have to look through it, it'll be it'll impair my vision. At nighttime might be a totally different story. I have to see at night. But as far as height goes, for 6'1", I think it's a good height. There's something in between, it might be a little better, but this will definitely prevent the wind from hitting my face. But you can see the difference here. So that's it. Wow, what a difference. That's big. Huh. I bet you it cuts down the wind also. So that's 11.5. Wow, that's huge. What a difference. I still feel the wind on my chest, which is good, so it's a nice little breeze. That is, what a difference. Huge difference. It doesn't look big when you look on the website, like 8.5 to 11.5. It's only like a 3/4 inch difference supposedly, but and I can just see over the I can see through it too. It's not dark, it's not too dark. I mean, nighttime it might be too dark, but I could easily see over it. Again, I'm 6'1", tons of fun, and see how it goes a little. Wow, big difference. I'm gonna like this on the cruising at 100. It makes a huge difference in wind. But for driving around town, I might go back to the smaller one. I don't know. Difference. I like it. Still not sure if I like the jaws over here for that. I'll tell you, the one thing I still hate about the CVO is the only way to get Apple CarPlay to work is with the stupid headset that comes with it. And it's terrible. It's so low, you can't even hear it inside the helmet. This guy, go a little slower, thank you. Jesus. So anyway, I'm thinking about toying with going with the Soundstream. I put that in my Road Glide, and I liked it. I really don't want to go with this, but I can sell the head unit for more than it will cost me to get the Soundstream, so I'm thinking about it. That might be a possibility. Just for the Apple CarPlay. That's coming up. Alright, so that's it. What do you think of the difference in the windshields? Is this too much? This looks pretty high. I don't know if I like this yet. I really don't. I don't know. It's going to take some getting used to. I'm kind of glad I did this comparison video so you guys could see, because there's definitely a difference between the two, and it doesn't look like it on the website. The website, I'll kind of show you probably while I'm talking about this. I'm going to show you the difference in the website when they show you like side by side how they compare, but this is definitely higher, and I guarantee you it's going to be better on a long trip. I'll update in the comments when we get to it, but that's it. Until next time, ride safe. That's it. Hit the like and subscribe. Hit the like and subscribe. Hit a like. Just hit the like button. It's one little click. Do that. It makes a big difference how YouTube sees my videos, how other people find it. Again, these videos are just to try to help you out. I had to go through 4 different windshields till I found the right one. Hopefully you won't have to. It's a stock one. Yeah. I keep everything. I don't know why. When I sold my Road Glide, I had a giant parts bin that was gone. Now, starting over. Ride safe.